Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to create a static dashboard in Notion. So let's get started. A lot of people think Notion is complicated, but that's not true at all. In fact, you can build a complete Notion dashboard with a to-do list, a calendar, and a project management system in less than a minute. Let me show you how. Start with an empty Notion page. Type or table and create a new table. This will be your to-do list. Add a few example tasks, and then create another table by typing or table again. Name this one projects list. This is where all your project names will live. Next, let's add a calendar. Type or calendar, choose calendar view, and connect it to your to-do database. Now delete any extra properties you don't need, and add a checkbox property for marking tasks as complete. After that, add a relation property and link it to the projects list so each task can belong to a project. Open the Properties panel and choose exactly what you want to display, like the checkbox and related project. Then add a simple filter so your calendar only shows tasks that actually have a date assigned. Now your system works beautifully. Add tasks to the to-do list. Assign a date, and they instantly move to the calendar. Choose a related project so everything stays organized, and tick them off once you're done. Your projects list will automatically show all tasks related to each project, keeping everything connected in one clean space. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.